Hey, we are the Clinical Pharmacy Working Group at University of Saarland, and we are excited to introduce you to the European Union-funded project safepolymed. Adverse drug reactions pose a global health risk, resulting in costs of more than 79 million euros in the EU alone. Sadly, the majority of these adverse reactions could be prevented. Formation of these reactions mainly results from drug-drug and drug-gene interactions, which are both closely related to each other and can influence efficacy and toxicity of pharmaceutics in a complex mechanism of interactions. Hence, predicting efficacy of drug therapy is challenging. Drug interactions are considered independently in the setting of clinical studies. However, reality shows that especially elderly people have multiple diseases requiring a wide variety of different medication. Furthermore, numerous genetic polymorphisms can occur in one patient with relevant effect on drug efficacy. The sheer amount of possible interactions exceeds the possibility of clinical testing. Therefore, innovative approaches are required to allow evidence-based drug therapy as well as patient empowerment in their ability to manage their own polymedication independently and safely by recognizing adverse drug reactions early on. safepolymed tackles exactly this issue. The project consists of 12 partners from 6 EU countries and attempts to improve management of drug-drug interactions under consideration of pharmacogenetics. Aim of the project is the development of a medication management center. This tool will support patients in actively managing their medication schedule as well as health workers to assess the risks of adverse drug effects and optimize decision-making in drug therapy. To achieve this goal, we are using artificial intelligence, machine learning, and mathematical drug modeling. Within the app, users can create a personal profile which includes medication plans and pharmacogenetic testing. The app indicates possible drug-drug and drug-gene influence on therapy. The app includes a symptom diary. Patients can use the diary to document adverse drug reactions based on standardized patient-reported outcome measures, which promotes the possibility of assessing symptoms systematically. The information can then be discussed during the next doctor's session, helping to identify potential adverse reactions and their causes quickly. The risk assessor is a specific module within the app. The input patient data is analyzed via artificial intelligence and based on large population datasets. It considers demographics, pre-existing conditions, medication history, and genetic factors. The aim is to identify patterns that could increase the risk of adverse drug reactions. The gained insights will hopefully help recognize potential risks early on and support decisions regarding personal drug therapy. Another module of the app is the dose assessor. With the help of physiologically based pharmacokinetic modeling, the pharmacokinetic effect of a drug is simulated for individual patients. Hereby, other drugs as well as individual pharmacogenetics are included in the simulations. This approach calculates optimal dose finding for each patient, which supports doctors in deciding on personal drug therapy. A proof-of-concept study is assessing whether the Medication Management Center can improve the management of drug-drug and drug-gene interactions and reduce adverse reactions effectively. For this reason, 120 patients are recruited in 4 different European countries. Are you interested? Visit safepolymed.eu for more information and contact details.